use them.
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and leg. Cardi and love it, leg. Arm and leg. Headed chick.
Most probably we's back with another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna be giving out straight fashion advice. So if y'all do want to stick around, if you don't, you're broke. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna get into straight fashion advice.
Give it to me! Give it to me!
Now, number one, honestly, I would say don't have a style.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
If you don't know what I mean by that, because that may sound stupid as hell, but do not have a specific style, bro. Just kind of go with the flow. What I really mean by that is don't confine yourself to one style. You should never confine yourself to a specific style, or else you're not gonna have no actual style, bro. Like the people who are stuck in the 2010 era. I get just a micro trend, right? Yeah, it's a micro trend, but a lot of people confine themselves to that specific style and they can't dress for real, bro. And honestly, I've never done that a day in my life. Never confined myself to one style. And that's why, even back then, right, my fits were kind of ass, but I still never confined myself to one style. And honestly, that's what helped me get up here when it comes to fashion, bro. I really say I'm all the way in the sky when it comes to fashion, but honestly, do not confine yourself to one style. Like, that shit is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Now, honestly, for number two, I would say just copy other people's styles.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Oh, well, not exactly copy. How would I put this? Just take elements from other people's style and just mash them all together, right? And then just mash other people's styles up together and create something completely new. And don't be afraid to step out your comfort zone, bro. Trust me, do not be afraid to step out your comfort zone. These fucking ass glasses though. Honestly, just mash other people's styles up together. So find your favorite fashion influencer, or which should be me, honestly. I should be your favorite fashion influencer. Come on now. But smash other people's styles up together and don't be afraid to try something new. Now at number three, I would really say go on certain sites online. Don't buy shit from the mall. Well, I'm not gonna say don't buy shit from the mall, but most of the shit in the mall is kind of ass. So I'd advise you to order online, because ordering online is the best way to go, to be honest. But you're like, so let's say you're looking at your favorite fashion influencer, right? And you're like, this fit hard. And then go to a store and be like, hey man, it's editor Faygo. I ain't gonna lie to you, I was kind of bullshitting in this clip. What I actually meant to say was buy pieces that are similar to their pieces. So just enjoy the rest of the bullshit that I say in this next clip. You have fun too. Would this person wear that? Well, don't be exactly like that, but I'm saying buy clothes that you think they would wear. And then, oh, this person will wear this. And then you try it. And then I feel like, you know what I'm saying, you would start to like the shit that you put on. And so basically, y'all may call me a dick rider. I personally don't care. I get inspo. But for example, right now, a while ago, Quan was my favorite fashion influencer. Well, I'm not gonna say was, still is, but I don't really look at fashion like that. Well, I do, but I personally, never mind, I'm lying, I don't. I look at fashion as in clothes, but when I don't actually go out there to go look at it unless I'm just buying clothes, to be honest. I do it so much and I do content so much to the point where it's like I don't really care to scroll that much on social media, but find clothes that you think they would wear and you just put that shit on for it, bro. Go on sites like Depop, you can go in, bro. Go on H&M and do that shit, bro. And then you start looking at other fashion influencers and don't think about what other people think, because I feel like most people's opinion is based off what other people would think. Let's say there's a person who wears super tight skinny jeans. You wouldn't know you like it because you think other people would think this. So that means you automatically have to think what they're thinking. Honestly, just be different, bro. You don't gotta be like the crowd, my nigga, honestly. And don't try too hard to be different, but definitely try to be different. Don't look at trends like that. Don't follow trends. Following the trends is a good way to just fuck your entire style up, because at that point you have no style if you're just following trends. Like me, if y'all can tell by my Instagram, I do not follow trends at all. I personally don't care to follow trends. I wear baggy jeans, but nigga, I'm not like a trend hopper, nigga. I wear almost everything, bro. I wear skinny, I wear boot cuts. I know niggas are just now onto those. I was onto boot cuts before any of you niggas were onto boot cuts, bro. So before y'all try to call me a trend rider, fuck you, nigga. But nah, just find clothes you think they would wear And if they wear expensive pieces, just find little alternatives to those pieces. For example, right? When I bought these, I was searching for them. Oh my fucking gosh. But nah, for example, right? When I bought these, I was looking for a Rick Owen alternative, right? And these are WM30. I already showed y'all where I got them from the last video, so if y'all want to go to know where they're from, it's the last video, man. But, what was it? By the time I post this, because I scheduled those 2 videos. I'm not finna get into all that, but when I got these, I was searching for a Rick Owen alternative, and these look pretty similar, but you usually gotta search on the weird websites. I'm not talking about those types of websites, nigga. I don't know why you would think that, but there you go. But when I bought this, I was looking for a Rick Owen alternative, bro. This, well, it doesn't exactly look like a Rick Owen because it is a tad bit bigger. I have Ricks now, but at the time I was just searching for Rick alternatives. But honestly, you see that? Honestly, don't buy the designer shoe if you haven't fully established your style yet. And don't follow trends until you feel like you can actually dress for it. But I still wouldn't recommend following trends. I still don't to this day. But once you just establish your actual style, you start getting confident with your style, you go out every day, put that shit on, bro. That's when you can start buying into trends that you actually like. Don't buy into trends that you don't like, son. I'm not gonna lie. Just don't. That shit is lame. Number 4 on this list, we got, don't need a lot of money to dress good. Really, I don't need a lot of money to dress good. Believe it or not, most of my fits that you see on my IG are thrifted or from Boohoo Man, bro. A lot of people won't believe it, but I get my clothes from Boohoo, bro. So honestly, you should go thrifting, bro. And I know everybody tells you this, but you really should go thrifting, man. But never mind, I'm not even, that's gonna be a different part. But definitely go thrifting so your clothes don't have to, you know what I'm saying, be expensive to look good, nigga. You can have some damn thrifted shoes and still be fly, bro. I can wear these bitches, right? These are $40, bro. And I can still look fly in these hoes. Now, for number 5, honestly, when you thrift, don't make your fit look thrifted, bro. Do not. Try your best not to, bro. Those people who just wear baggy jeans, Timbs, and a fucking flannel, bro. Don't be one of those. Cause, oh, you fit thrifted. Nigga, I know. Make sure the clothes don't look like they're thrifted. For the most part, by themselves, right? By themselves, the clothes, they look thrifted. But when you wear them, it shouldn't look thrifted. Like, come on now, bro. Your fit should never look thrifted. Never. There's some niggas fits. I got a couple people that I know. I'm not gonna say who, but I do know some people. Oh yeah, the fit thrifted. Nigga, I know. It looks thrifted. Yes. The fit looks thrifted, bro. But nah. So when you wearing clothes from the thrift, I say upcycle your clothes. And what I mean by upcycle is try to make it look better. If you get what I'm saying. Try to make it look, well, do little cuts and stuff on it, or just customize your clothes from the thrift. I do that with all my clothes from the thrift. I can show you an example. This piece, for example, right? See this piece? Look, right? This piece, right? Now, it may look thrifted, yeah, I know. But look, nigga, I made this shit look cool, bro. Add little shit, bro. Details matter, bro. Just be creative, gang. Well, I'm not gonna say they're super creative, but dude, just add little details to your clothes from the thrift, bro. Don't be afraid to do this shit. If you make a mistake, nigga, you make a mistake. Nobody gives a fuck.
If we go to prison for the rest of our life, whoop-de-doo.
This is actually a Walmart sweater, I guess. Yeah, sweater. This is actually in an XL. Oh, that's another thing I want to talk about. Now, for number 6, honestly speaking, man, I think that you should never be afraid to buy your clothes a size up or a couple sizes up, because some clothes, they look good a couple sizes up, but I'm not saying it should feel like a fucking dress on you, my nigga, but I'm just saying buy it in a size larger than your actual size and then cut the tee to maybe a little below your waist, just a little, or maybe that this fits exactly on your waist, but it'll make the clothes look better, bro. For sure. So do not be afraid to have your clothes sized up a bit. So I would definitely say don't be afraid to go up a size on clothes, or a size, 2 sizes or more, because I got some shirts that are way over my fucking size. That shirt is way over my size, bro. But it looks good because it's cropped and it looks like it fits me. But now another thing I want to talk about, which is number 7. Shapes do play a huge role in your clothing. How things sit on certain things and how things just are shaped, period. Let's say a nigga wearing skinny jeans, right? I should not see with no thin ass shoes, bro. I'm not talking about regular Chelsea boots or something like that. I'm talking about Yeezy pods, bro. I should not see that a nigga wearing Yeezy pods with skinny jeans, bro. I should never see this. Look at cartoon characters, right? Cartoon characters honestly have some pretty cool ass proportions, I'm not gonna lie. But you should definitely look at it. I know Flair, for example, right? Balenciaga Flair cargo paired with an oversized tee. It's just gonna look good because it looks great proportions. It just shapes that just look right together. The shapes gotta look right together, bro. Make sure your clothes actually fit your body type, bro. Because if not, you're gonna look like a fucking idiot. And I'm going to clown you for it. But nah, man. Moving on to number 8. Now, another one for number 8, I say don't listen to what other people gotta say if you don't like the way they dress. Because there's no way you're listening to a nigga that doesn't know how to dress in your eyes. Like, I'm gonna listen to that nigga. That's like poor nigga, right? Saying, oh, teaching you how to make money, bro. Like someone who's never made $1 teaching you how to make money. Would that make sense? No, it would not. So if somebody can't dress in your eyes, bro, don't listen to that. Do not. That's why I stopped leaving hate comments, because nigga, I may think a fit is ass, but maybe in their eyes, I don't know how to dress. So honestly, that's some pretty good advice I give you. Don't listen to what other people gotta say. And honestly, people will hate you in the beginning, and then you'll find people that just love your style, bro. But nah, for example, right? This pose. This pose, right? Now, honestly, I fuck with it, bro. The fit, to me, is actually pretty hard. You know what I'm saying? I got the little green cargos, flannel, with the bunny hat, nigga. I'm tough. I be telling y'all niggas, I be tough. But nah. See, there was people that actually messed with the fit, bro. So, honestly, I don't really care. You should never care about what other people gotta say. Because at first, people would hate my style, bro. And I just started getting better and better. I just kept going, and people started to love my style. Now, I rarely ever get hate comments when it comes to outfits. Now, when it comes to opinions about certain shoes or clothes, which you like, you know what I'm saying? But just don't listen to what other people that can't dress. Don't listen to other people that can't dress. That's all I gotta say. Now, another fashion tip I give, this low-key does sound hypocritical, but for number 9, I say don't over-accessorize, please. It's gonna make your fit look bad. I get it, bro. Some accessories, a chain, maybe a hat, nigga. A hat will really elevate your fit, to be honest, but chains, to me, honestly, they're alright. I feel like they don't really do much to a fit. That's why I personally don't care to wear chains. I may wear a watch or some shit, but whatever that. But I see if you just put in a little amount of accessories, maybe 3 accessories. But I seen a nigga have 20,000 fucking accessories, my nigga, and that fit was still garbage. It was like a flannel, some jorts, some Timbs, 80,000 fucking gold chains, 20 rings on each finger. I'm low-key exaggerating this shit, but I'm just telling you it was a lot of accessories, bro. When I say it was a lot of accessories, I am mentioning. So never over accessorize. Too much of anything is a bad thing. Too much of anything. Please stop. And for number 10 on the list, man, this is gonna be the best fashion advice I could give you, bro. Like the best fashion advice I can give you. Like when I say this is gonna change your entire fashion trajectory. Follow my fucking Depop, nigga. Also, make sure y'all go follow my socials, bro. Y'all go follow my socials, gang. pinkffaygo over here. I'm basically pinkffaygo everywhere.
Bitch, I'm talking from my soul, yeah. She in my gear, she watch, she played her songs, yeah.